Okay. So this is Zoran. He had a bike accident and this is his first time riding after a month. So we're just gonna make sure everything's good. Anything happens, any mental, emotional stuff that might be occurring, we're gonna take it out by putting him in a position of stress. First thing we came up with was sacrum. Good. I want you to just go ride around a little bit, see how that feels. Specifically paying attention to if you get nervous or anything like that. Just like one block or less. Okay, he just came back from a first ride. He said it's much better. Go ahead, tell me what you think.
Much better. My self-confidence has improved. But there's still some work, I think.
Yeah, so what's happening
100%.
now?
I think I still have some kind of fear, maybe.
Fear? Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look and see what else is there. So if you were to give it a number, like how much, what percentage do you think has gotten better?
From 1 to 10?
Sure.
Yeah, I would say like between 7 and 8.
So before, what would you say it was?
I was like 4.
Okay, so we went from a 4 to a 7. Okay, let's take a look. Below is coming up, the lumbar, sacrum, coccyx. Coccyx showing up again. Okay, cool. Right to left, towards, counter toward. Just straight up coccyx. Coccyx 1, 2, coccyx 2. Go right again. It was just coccyx, that's all. All right, he just came back after his second run and he says it's so much better.
Yeah, absolutely. Feels so much better.
Cool. What would you say from 1 to 10 now?
I would say around 10.
Okay, I'm just going to double check just to make sure. That was pretty cool. Let's take a look and see if there's anything else left in the posture of stress while he's on the bike. By the way, he was thinking about selling his bike because he didn't want another accident to occur. It was 2 accidents in a row, very close together, and he likes biking, but he had this fear of it happening again. So that's why we decided to do this position of stress to help him figure out what he wants to do, whether he wants to sell it or he wants to ride more. So I'm getting a little more. Say on the sacrum. Sacrum 4 on the left. So it was, again, that's it, just one thing. I'm just going to have him run one more time, bike one more time, and see if there's any changes. But already his confidence is up to a 10. Just came back from his bike ride.
Well, it seems everything back to normal, like it used to be.
Fantastic.
Feels great, and probably I'm not gonna sell my bike.
Boom! There you go. Awesome.